For those of you who don't know the story of Chijioke, I'm just going to tell you what happened quickly. So Chijioke was 20 years old in 2012 and he went for a child dedication. He was picked up there and he was allegedly taken to Sars office. When his family went to look for him, they were told that he had been taken to the headquarters. They went there to find him. His mother spotted him being brought into the station and she said, "That's my child." And the officer in charge of that station, the notorious Onwa, asked them to boot her and the family out of the premises, and then they were pushed out. Since then, they haven't seen Chijioke again. The next time they went, the officer Onwa boasted that he shot Chijioke, and there's nothing anyone can do about it. They searched for him, and then some other officers told the parents that it's possible he hasn't died, that the man could just be bluffing. They should bring some money to bribe him. The father brought some money. The officer said the money was too small. The father went, sold his land, sold some properties, raised 3 million, gave it to the man. The man said 3 million was chicken change. And the most horrifying part of this story, if you're a parent, that man, CSP Onwa, made Chijioke's dad to look for Chijioke's body in a river of dead bodies. He made him turn every single corpse upside down, searching for his son. I can't imagine what that man was going through. One part of him would think, let me find this body so that we can have closure. Another part of him would think, let me not find this body so that we can have hope. This is the impunity with which officers have treated us. They came to Abuja to seek justice. The state CID told them they would have to pay money to transport officers down to the state where it happened to investigate. We have no system. We cannot get tired. Are you tired?